Earthquakes are primarily caused by the movement of tectonic plates beneath the Earth's surface. These plates, which make up the Earth's crust, are constantly shifting and interacting with each other. When these plates collide, separate, or slide past one another, they can cause stress to build up along fault lines. This stress eventually overcomes the friction holding the plates together, resulting in a sudden slip and the release of energy in the form of seismic waves, which we experience as an earthquake. Here's a more detailed explanation. Tectonic plate movement. The Earth's crust is divided into several large and small plates that float on the semi-molten asthenosphere. Fault lines. Plate boundaries are often marked by fault lines, which are fractures in the Earth's crust where movement can occur. Stress buildup. As plates move, they can become locked together at fault lines due to friction. This causes stress to build up over time. Sudden slip. When the stress exceeds the friction holding the plates together, they slip suddenly along the fault line. Energy release. This sudden slip releases a tremendous amount of energy in the form of seismic waves, which travel through the Earth and cause ground shaking. Volcanic activity. While less frequent, volcanic eruptions can also cause earthquakes due to magma movement and pressure changes beneath the surface. Human activities. In some cases, human activities like mining, construction of large dams, and even fracking can induce earthquakes by altering the stress balance in the Earth's crust.